Hello to my lovely viewers. Welcome to Anjudev vlogs. This time it's gonna be a beauty vlog. And welcome to the salon, which is ESPRIT Salon. Merry Christmas. Meet our dear hero Raj. Today's victim is not me. It's gonna be Shyaam, because we are here to do a treatment for him, which is called Keratin, Global Keratin. So let's see how it is gonna be going with guys. Okay.
Then you do keratin, आपका फेस थोड़ा स्ट्रेट होगा और थोड़ा सा फ्रीजीनेस सारा ये कर्लीनेस सब निकल जाता है, ठीक है? थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग दिखेगा, तो हम बाद में ट्रिमिंग करेंगे, ठीक है?
Now it's time for a hair wash. This place is really good because the interiors are done really well. I like this texture of wall. It's really nice. So Shyaam usually had a straight hair before, but now recently we don't know how come it became a bit curly. So we thought we will get a hair straightening, which is kind of a global keratin done. Now Raj, my friend, is doing hair wash. कौन सा शैम्पू है?
ये Amazon सीरीज का डीप क्लींजिंग शैम्पू है।
हाँ, ओके।
फर्स्ट स्टेप यूज कर रहे हैं अभी keratin का।
Okay. Now he will have to wait for 5 minutes. But I'm loving this rustic design here. The color. I usually love this. They've got enough rooms, spacious enough to accommodate enough customers. For thin hair which is weak and not strong like Shyam's hair, then 2 times they will do the shampooing and they will leave it for 5 minutes each time. After that only the treatment will be started. This is mainly for opening the hair follicles. In my case, my hair is treated hair because it is chemically treated with coloring and curling everything. So for me also they will do only twice the shampooing. In case your hair is healthy, strong and not done with any of these treatments, then they will wash 3 times. So that is how they will do before starting with the global keratin. So dears, in case you are traveling somewhere after the keratin treatment is all done, maybe after 2 days or something, then if you are going in sea water or something, make sure that you apply some after wash conditioner so that you provide a coating on top of the hair so that it won't react with the keratin. Otherwise the keratin effect will go faster. In case you want it to stay longer, then please do aftercare properly. अभी drying शुरू हो जाएगा. Mostly because of Raj, this will become a Hindi plus English mix. Actually, this is the first time I am shooting and Shyaam is in front of the camera.
16 treatment.
Okay, 16 treatment. Okay.
और इसमें फॉर्मल्डिहाइड नहीं होता है जो हमारे बेसिक प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करता है, इसमें विदाउट फॉर्मल्डिहाइड है, ठीक है?
Okay.
फॉर्मल्डिहाइड नहीं है इसमें।
They always try to use the best product. This is why I always come to Raj, because I'm sure that he will not damage my hair for money. So I do trust him a lot and I always go to him from years. Even though this salon is a newly opened salon, I know most of the people who are working here. I'm associating with them from a very long time. Be it my skin service, be it my hair service, I usually prefer these people, and that is why I shifted to this salon. So I can definitely vouch for this salon. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. We have all freedom in the salon. We are even close to the owner of the salon. I'll show him later. See, so nicely he is applying without touching the scalp. Also for the short hair, ironing won't be done because it's not practically possible also. It's very short, right? Now this cream has to go around the full hair. It will take some time. कितना time लगेगा?
मैक्सिमम 1.5 आवर लग जाएगा।
Okay.
मैक्सिमम।
So maximum this procedure will go for 1.5 hours. Washing include करके है ना?
उसको इंक्लूड करके।
Include करके 1.5 hours. So if you have long hair for girls, it will take 3 to 4 hours. Raj is from Chandigarh. When we went to Chandigarh, he only guided us where to go, where to eat and all. So we went to Pal Dhaba, had nice food. Yeah, thanks to Raj for that.
Next time Raj will accommodate us.
Yeah, next time we will stay in Raj. Please. Raj Bhavan. Yeah, Shyaam is blessed, it seems, to get a treatment done by Raj.
Why?
Because Raj is our close friend. Yeah, it was always natural hair for Sham. First time, please
Anju
don't
is
blame.
influenced me.
I know.
Anju influenced me to do all those things.
Yeah, in my name, he's trying to do all these things.
Seriously, I'm not interested, but
This is all acting, please don't believe. He's cribbing from a long time that his hair is not proper now. He has to do something. Then I suggested him, if you want, you can try so that I will also get a good content for my video. And now he's blaming me. Let's see how the outcome is going to be. So we have to reduce hair wash once you do this treatment, because more the wash you do, easier this effect will go off. So reduce the number of hair washes you take, maybe weekly twice, hai na Raj? Huh. So you always have to use the shampoo which is made for this treatment, for the keratin treatment. Otherwise, because of the chemicals in the other shampoo, this effect will go off faster. So if you go to gym or if you're a dancer, etc., and you sweat a lot, then obviously you will have to wash your hair, right? So that time it's better to do only water wash. Don't add any shampoo, conditioner, etc. Conditioner bhi hai na? नहीं करना है, okay. So only water wash you will have to do in such cases, and make sure you apply shampoo, conditioner only twice a week. Now itself looks like Sham got a new hairstyle, and it is looking good, right? आपका ये कलर कौन सा है राज?
hair color and beard color.
हाँ, बियर्ड कलरिंग भी कर सकता है.
मैं भी बियर्ड इस तरह थोड़ा बड़ा होगा तो मैं भी यहाँ बियर्ड वाइट करेगा पूरा.
वाइट?
वाइट.
ओह, बूढ़ा दिखेगा. शाम को ये ट्राई करना है कि अर्जेंटीना गोली है ना, मार्टिनेस, उसका वो हेयर स्टाइल करना है.
कौन सा?
Hair style, hair color.
हेयर कलर करना है उसका. लेकिन उसका फेस तो अलग है ना.
फेस अलग है तो हम कलर भी थोड़ा अलग करेंगे, शेड अलग दे देंगे.
हाँ
This side.
हाँ, वो ट्राई कर सकता है. मेसी नहीं चाहिए क्या?
मेसी जैसा का हेयर भी छोटा करना पड़ता है.
हाँ.
Oh my god.
वाओ, रैपिंग.
मैं कल करेगा तो मुझे पता चलेगा.
ये कितने टाइम होगा?
35 मिनट वेट करना है ऐसे ही.
35 minutes wait करना है. Okay. This salon is located in Ananth Nagar. It is very much near to Electronic City Phase 2. So if you're somewhere around, you can definitely visit this place. Landmark is Polar Bear Ice Cream Shop and also the Vishal Mart. Proper address of the salon, I'll leave a card in the description box. So meet another friend of mine. Her name is Manisha. She usually does all the skin services for me, and she's really talented. Whenever we come here, she'll give us tea or coffee, which is prepared by herself. Thanks for that.
Thank you.
Nice nail art.
Thank you.
Nice.
खराब हो गया.
नहीं अच्छा है. Dears, now it's time to introduce you to a special person, the big boss of this salon. Actually, it's my good friend. He's a great entrepreneur. His name is Vinod Sampath Kumar, and he has started this salon. Thanks a lot for this such a nice salon, because we are getting a lot of good offers, good service. Thank you so much for that. So if you guys are wishing to get a good service done, please do come here. This is a great salon. I can vouch for that. So remove the wrap after 35 minutes, hai na? Now again hair is getting dried up. Now hair needs to be dried up properly. So each strand is getting dried up. Yeah, now the entire curliness has gone and it's looking silky, right? Like a dairy milk silk. So if you wish, you can wash it immediately after the ironing, or you can keep it for 2 days and come back for the hair wash. That is actually better. So we will come back after 2 days once the ironing is done. So we will not do hair wash immediately after today's service, and that time we might do a small hair trimming to give a good look. Bahubali is ready with the sword, ironing machine. So for small hair we won't do ironing because it might burn the skin. Shyaam is scared now. Yeah, actually I have started loving this job too, being a camera woman. But poor Shyaam doesn't like this job of acting, being captured by the camera. आज स्नैक्स कुछ नहीं है क्या? है. Last time he gave us some chat. समोसा चाट था ना?
हाँ,
अच्छा था.
वो हम बाहर गए थे खाने ना तो लेके आए थे सबके लिए.
अभी शाम का हेयर सुपर स्ट्रेट होगा और मेरी हेयर तो कर्ली होगा. So guys, one information for gents, it will stay maximum for 2 to 3 months only because the hair is already short and you will keep cutting your hair unlike girls. So for us it usually stays for 4 to 6 months based on the aftercare which we does, and the lesser the wash you take, the more it will stay. Now Shyam's hair is looking like Appu's hair, our nephew.
ये जो दिख रहा है ये वाइट सारा केराटिन ट्रीटमेंट का प्रोटीन है.
Okay,
ये
okay.
वॉश के बाद निकल जाएगा.
Okay. So don't worry if you see some white color dust on your hair because it is all protein, and once you come for hair wash it will be gone. So for 2 days Shyam's hair will have this powdered look. So dears, if you're doing hair coloring you have to do it before doing the keratin. ठीक है ना राज?
हाँ, अगर केराटिन के बाद करा
हाँ.
तो केराटिन आपका इमीडिएट निकल जाएगा और केराटिन में कोई वैल्यू नहीं रहेगा.
Okay, okay. So if you want to do coloring after keratin, it's better always to wait at least for 3 months. Else, please do it before doing the keratin. This hairstyle is so strange. Actually, for 2 days it will look like this because you will have to maintain this. After 2 days, once you do the hair wash, you will get a better look. So for 2 days, you should make sure that you're not touching water. I mean, your hair is not touching water. So do not take hair wash. Don't get sweat. And after that only you will do the final hair wash. For girls, you cannot tie your hair for 2 days after doing the global keratin treatment. For gents, thoda sa okay. Light you can tie it while sleeping and all. For gents, you can use the bow and all if you are using one. And also you can wear your cap, not an issue. Strictly don't use water on your hair.
अंजू मैम और शाम सर बहुत हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं. प्लीज
हाँ,
वीडियो को
बहुत.
लाइक करो,
Yeah.
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो.
Please.
मैंने पहले ही मैम के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दिया है और मेरे फ्रेंडों ने भी सब्सक्राइब करा है, तो प्लीज
Yeah.
आप लोग भी करें.
See,
इससे
Raj is
थोड़ा
supporting.
हमें
From the starting, he is a subscriber. His wife is also a subscriber. Correct, no Raj?
हाँ.
So we expect the same from all of you, dears. Actually, we are doing another job, so along with that, in parallel, doing this is actually difficult. But then we try to manage time, plan properly, and try to release the videos. But sometimes, yeah, we both will be busy, and we might not be able to keep it regular. डियर्स, 2 दिन के बाद हम आया राज से मिलने के लिए. Now it's time for the final procedures. So this is how Shyam's hair is looking like after 2 days. But he is loving the style. Now one more round of pressing, but the temperature will be less this time. Now we are going for haircut. Now it's time to go for the final hair wash. Now it's time to go for conditioning. So always make sure that you apply conditioner only on the hair and not on the scalp. If you guys are visiting this salon, please do take my name so that you are going to get exciting offers. And now the final wash is complete. So this is a serum. So make sure you are not applying oil until 2 months at least. So did you see the final look of Shyaam? How is it looking like? We liked it actually. Did you guys like it? Do leave all your comments and your queries in the comment box. I will definitely look onto that and I'll reply to that for sure. I'll soon come back with some other good videos. Please do stay tuned to my channel. It's Anjudev Vlogs signing off. Love you all. See you soon.